Okay, I think this one will make more sense if I set it up first. So here's the scenario. You wear glasses or corrective lenses, and your eyes are bad enough that when you take off your glasses, you can't see that well. That's why you're wearing glasses, right? So now it's time to get new glasses. You go to the eye doctor or wherever you get glasses from, and they have all these glasses to choose from. And they tell you to look around. Fine, you're wearing your glasses, you can see fine, no problem. And then when you find something that you might like, take off your glasses and try them on and then look and see if you like them. The problem is, as we already established, when you take your glasses off, things are too blurry. So you can't actually see what you look like with the new glasses, and then you kind of feel the pressure of the environment. So it's just like, yeah, sure, I like these. Let me take these. And you get home and it's just like, I don't like these at all. So that's your scenario. What do you do? So now you can use Nano Banana Pro, which, if you're not familiar, is one of Google's new image and reasoning models. You can use Nano Banana Pro and you can give it a picture of you and you can give it a picture of the glasses that you like, and then you can have it combine those two and show you what you would look like with the glasses while you're still wearing your glasses and you can still see. The other scenario for this is you buy your glasses online and you don't have a try it on thing and you don't want to keep ordering glasses and then sending them back and ordering them, sending them back. You can pick up one pair, multiple pairs online and take a screenshot of them, and then same thing, take a picture of you, a screenshot of the glasses, and then see what you'd look like. So let me go through what that would actually look like. So you come here, and this is just gemini.google.com, and this is the Gemini app. I'll close that to make things clearer. And to get to Nano Banana Pro, you want to make sure that over here, your model is thinking with 3 Pro, and you have create images selected here under tools. So this is what your prompt area is going to look like, and then you're going to type in your prompt. I already did this, so I'm going to skip this step and then just go over, but this is how you would set it up, and then you would type in your prompt. Okay, so what I have here is, let me go up. Yeah, okay. That's what to say subject, but let's say I went online and I went to, I don't remember which site, but one of the glasses selling sites, and I just picked a random pair of glasses. I'm like, okay, I like these glasses. I don't, but it doesn't matter. And then I got this guy, it's just a stock photo. And so I uploaded both of those pictures, and if you don't know how to do that, let me just come back here. From this prompt area, again, you have Thinking 3 Pro, you have Create Image here, and then you click the plus here to add files, and then you can upload the files here. So I did that with both of those 2 files, and then back here. So uploaded these 2 files, and then all I said in the prompt was put the glasses on the subject. And this is what it came up with. So again, now you're at home, you're wearing your glasses, and you can see what you would look like with the new pair of glasses on. Whole different experience. This is a pair of sunglasses from the same site. Maybe you like these. Again, I uploaded the same picture of the guy each time. I found that I get better results if I actually give it the pictures each time. So sunglasses and the guy, and then again, put the sunglasses on the subject is my prompt. I don't know why it did 2 this time, but it did. But either way, they're pretty much the same image, but it's like, now, okay, maybe you like that, maybe you don't. And then a third pair, just why not? Different style of glasses from the same site. Again, same image, same guy. And then again, put these glasses on the subject. Really, really simple prompt. And again, that's pretty good. So now if I'm at home, I can take my time, I can wear my corrective lenses, glasses, contacts, whatever they are, and then I can actually see what it looks like with the glasses on, and I can take different pictures of yourself. You can, wear different colors, wear different shirts, have different hairstyles, whatever it is, and then try the glasses on each time and see what it would look like using Nano Banana Pro. I think it's a really interesting use case, and I haven't seen other people talk about it, so I wanted to put it out there. Try it out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.